Here we have an old police pup lock. It's a wafer padlock. It says the Eagle Lock Company, Terryville, Connecticut, made in the USSA, patent number 22. That's at 81088. There's the bitting. It's a weird bitting. It looks almost like it's been hand cut, like with a file. I didn't do it. Somebody else apparently. Alright. Apply tension with a sparrow's tension wrench. And use the modified Peterson Snowman. If I can even get it in there. Might be picking it the wrong way. Let's try that. This is a really hard lock to hang on to. Yeah, definitely was doing it the wrong way. Alright, there it is picked. Let's put it back. Let's see the key. Still works. Alright, thanks for watching.